deal, YouTube? I say I'm back with another banger. We up in the morning getting this good gas because we got a lot of errands to run. Y'all see my boy Dominic gave me my little decals, man. Shout out to my boy, man. If you need some decals, go hit up my boy Dom, because he the one who made this and he the one who made my YouTube banner for my last Camaro. Y'all see we at the gas station. We just got this good gas. As soon as we hit the road, I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm doing today, just so y'all understand what's really going on, because I know y'all just see the title and see the exhaust. So yes, we getting the exhaust done today. A lot of other stuff that I gotta, you know, update y'all on and tell y'all about. So just stay tuned for the video, man. Don't skip it. If you new, my name is Tez. Welcome to the channel, man. Hit that subscribe button because you're not gonna want to miss out, man. So yeah, like I was showing y'all, if y'all was just watching, y'all see that I just changed the lights like I told y'all I was thinking about doing. To me, it made a huge difference. I really like these older lights that I had on my SS. Before I got them sequential ones way better. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll drop another picture or video real quick just in case you missed it at the beginning. But so the other day I put in my lights and y'all see I got the little decal thing from Dom. So go hit up my boy if y'all ever need that. But we got a lot of things to do today and I got a lot of stuff to talk to y'all about. So I'm gonna just tell y'all now, the first thing I'm doing right now, I'm running up the Chevy dealership. Actually, it's the one out of town that I've been to before in my last video if you paid attention. I'm running there real quick to pick up my little bumper part. If y'all remember when I first picked up the car, when I showed y'all the flaws, that was one of the flaws. It was just like the little plastic piece right under the splitter. That way, you know, it protect the splitter from getting scratched and stuff. So I definitely wanted to get that because it was just something that was gonna have to get replaced anyway. So right now I'm all the way to the dealership to pick up that little plastic piece. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about once I get there. That way y'all know what I'm saying and I'm not just buying something that's pointless. But I feel like I really would need it, you know, to save me from scratching my splitter. So right now I'm on my way to the dealership to pick that up. And after that, y'all know what the title, so y'all see what the title say, y'all see the thumbnail. We finna go get the exhaust done. I'm gonna show y'all the exhaust once I get there because I didn't open it up yet. Like, it's still in the box. I haven't even opened it up and I had it for a whole week. So from now on, I'm gonna try to start planning, you know, to unbox the like my packages or any mods like that for y'all, you know, cause I just feel like, you know, it's more exciting when y'all see me open it up, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all can see and experience the same thing I experienced when opening it up, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the exhaust once I get the TJ shop, and I'm gonna probably just cut the camera on once I get to the dealership. I'll see y'all as soon as I get up there, man. My part better be here with this terrible traffic, bruh. Cause I'm gonna be irritated as hell if it's not, and I'm gonna have to come back up here. Bruh, it look like this traffic is gonna be like this for a while. And actually, let me put my seatbelt on, bruh. I apologize in the last video when I let Kurt drive my car, I didn't wear my seatbelt. What it is, I'm just so comfortable in Camaros, bruh. Like, I be feeling like I don't need my seatbelt, but just, you know, it's safety first as always, man. My mom got on my ass when she seen that video. She was like, you need to start wearing your seatbelt. I'm like, damn, you right. These seatbelts is red, so why would I not want to wear them, you feel me? Not only that, too, these seatbelts cost a little more, so it's like, I got red seatbelts and I don't even wear them, not even taking advantage of them. If y'all see me without my seatbelt, get on my ass, bruh. Try to say something. Listen to that whine, man. Just wait. The 25th, y'all, if y'all paid attention to my last video, on the 25th, this whine gonna be way louder, man, because I'm doing some mods. Just stay tuned, man, because y'all not going to miss out on that video, bro. And y'all know that's next week, so just stay tuned, man. Please stay tuned. We pulling up to the dealership right now, as y'all can see. I'm gonna run in here, see if my part came, and I'm gonna show y'all what exactly I got, so you know y'all know it ain't nothing pointless. I really feel like I need it. I'm gonna actually show y'all real quick. But once again, shout out to my boy Don, man, for making my little decals, man. I was thinking to put it on the front, but I really don't know. I really wanna, you know, take advantage of my tint. I just like how it look. I don't really want no stickers on it, but y'all let me know what y'all think if I should get it up there. And so my car low as hell to the ground, but I think y'all can still see it. Yep. So that plastic piece under there is like just all tore up and ripped up. You can't really see it now, but like if I go under here and show y'all, like all right here, the screws came out. It's just really wore up, you know, so it should be here right now. That's what I'm here for. So I'm about to go in there and check and see. And if y'all wondering why I'm getting it, it's because really I want, you know, to protect this splitter. I don't want to have to replace that splitter fast. So I'm gonna run in here and go to the parts and see if that part came, and I'm gonna let y'all know, man. See it? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, you can really see it now. It's like tore all right there. You know, it just looked tacky, man, when you can see it when you know, when the front is out like that. But I just got the part. honestly, I think I could do it myself, so I'm gonna save some money and just do it at home later, or have, you know, my mans do it if I really don't got time. But I'm about to head up there to TJ's shop, man. The highway looking a little crazy. I'm gonna get there to my boy TJ's shop ASAP. All this stuff, I got all type of receipts, stickers, parts, everything. But yeah, man, we finna get up out of here and head to my boy's shop. Dog, even though I'm getting rid of the stock exhaust, it still sounds so good. We're only 30 minutes from the shop, man. Going to my boy TJ's shop. I went to him with my last Camaro. I didn't really get no content when I went there because my camera died. I didn't really do too much to my exhaust. I had him, you know, some light stuff, but TJ the GOAT when it comes to exhaust, bro. If you live in Michigan, you don't want to buy an exhaust, you want a custom exhaust, that's who you go to, bro. The reason why I'm not getting a custom exhaust is because the exhaust I want, I mainly got it because of the tips, you know. I can get headers and make this car sound fucking stupid. All I gotta do is get some cooked headers like I did my last Camaro, but right now, you know, I'm just doing the axle back, you know, I'm not really trying to do headers right now. I think I'm gonna do headers maybe later down the road when I plan on doing E85, but I'm gonna cut the camera back on as soon as I get to TJ's shop, man. Let's see, we just got to the shop. My boy over there working with bro. But let me see what he talking about. Showing my exhaust and all that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in a hot second, man. I'm gonna show y'all is my new plate, man. I finally got rid of that plate. It's just, I forgot to tell y'all because I've been so damn busy. So I got the new plate, got the new lights. I got this slapped on. Man, I'm ready to get this exhaust out of there. I really had a problem with it. Really didn't tell y'all because the day it happened, I was at work. But so, when I first got my car, it was smoking a little bit from the exhaust, so I knew something was in the exhaust or there was a problem with the exhaust. So I took it to the dealership and they looked at it and everything. They said it wasn't a leak, literally nothing. They couldn't find nothing. The next day ended up smoking again. So hopefully TJ can figure out what the problem is, because I know something is going on with my exhaust. It's like dirt shit, all black shit is all right there. So when I went there to the dealership, you know, they ran it and everything. They said it was just running like too lean or too rich. Hopefully he can figure out what's going on. So I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on with that. But I definitely gotta get rid of this stock exhaust, man. Y'all gonna see why. It's gonna be a huge difference, but just stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna make a huge difference, bro. With this axle back, the secondary, cat delete, it's gonna be way louder. So y'all stay tuned, man. Yeah, those tips is like huge. That's the main reason why I went with them.
You got a lollipop for when you're done installing it. That's like your reward.
For buying an $800 exhaust that you could make.
Yeah, that's just a straight fun.
Yeah, but the main reason why I went with this is because the tips. I just really like how big they tips are. That's the main reason, but yeah, that's funny. They give you a whole lollipop. But yeah, so this is how it look under here stock, man. We got this fat muffler from up here to the cats.
These are your secondaries.
These are the mains. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna take these out right here. I guess we're gonna leave these until I get some headers, so that's just gonna be the plan, y'all. You definitely gotta take this fat muffler, heavy muffler off. All that stuff sitting in there. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all see the before, stay tuned for the after, man. I gotta, you know, show y'all his car up close, cause I swear, I don't know if y'all paid attention, but when we was at the Woodward meet, I seen an all black one, bro, and I'm just obsessed. I really love these Cadillacs, bro. Like these CTSs and ATSs, bro. I think this is, yeah, this is CTS. This thing is nice. He got carbon fiber all on the diffuser, the spoiler, the badges. It's really one of the hardest CTSs I ever seen, bro. Like, not even exaggerating. I ain't even gonna say that because this is shot, but y'all tell me what y'all think about this, bro. Carbon fiber right here on the badge, like I said, on the vents. Stop playing with TJ, man. If y'all don't know where he at, this is where my mans work at, right across from Dairy Queen, right in Flat Rock. Y'all go hit my boy TJ up because he a GOAT, man. Muffler off. This is exactly what we needed. And I'm not gonna get rid of this time. I regret getting rid of all my stock parts. So y'all, I'm gonna keep it. Even though I don't plan on getting rid of this car. You never know. I might get a 1LE one day. Y'all never know. All the dirt in here, man. Terrible. But 10 times better without that big ass muffler. So this is the piece that I just bought. This plastic piece right here. So I'm gonna replace this and see what's going on. Hope that it come all the way over here. If not, then I just wasted some money. And I really wanted to, you know, get all of this. So hopefully that's the whole thing. I'm gonna go grab the part. Well, actually, I think it's inside the car. But TJ sitting here, replace it for me. So shout out to my dog once again, bro, because he'll do anything really he can if you ask him. That's really just what I wanted to get fixed, because that just looked real tacky. If not, I'll really take it off. But I'm gonna show y'all the difference after we get it out and put it on there. The difference with these tips on here, it looks so good, bro. I'm not gonna show y'all yet. Y'all can just see the bottom, but they look real good, bro. Just had to go over there and get some good tacos. I ain't gonna lie, that place is fire. But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all these tips now. These tips look way better, bro. Y'all see the difference? Man, them tips look way better. Let's look under here. So we got rid of that fat muffler. AWE track edition, not the touring. They say this is the loudest one, so I can't wait to hear it myself. Let's see if they took the cats. Yep, you see it. Took that secondary cat out. Now we just gotta get this one out. I'm pretty sure he's just gonna put like some wheel right there. He making some metal right now, so y'all see them cats out of there, them secondary ones. We gonna get rid of them ones when I get headers, y'all. Just wait for that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera back on when they drop it down so y'all can hear it, give it some revs, show y'all the befores and after. And I'm gonna give y'all, you know, my personal, you know, opinion on this exhaust. So I'll be right back, man, after I eat these good tacos, man. So this the part right here, I'm gonna have bro put it on. These tips look good, dog. Look at these tips, man. I didn't think that was gonna come out looking this good. I didn't think they was that big for real. But bro, look how big they is, bro. My fucking hand fit inside of them, bro. So these the 4.5 inch track axle back from AWE. Man, I can't wait to hear it, dog. They gonna put that front piece on for me, and then I'm gonna cut the camera back on so y'all can hear it. Put it on the end. Oh my god. She sounds so good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm shocked. She sounds 10 times better, bro. Can't wait to hit the road to hear them crackles and pops, so y'all know me. But yeah, so they finna go ahead and put that front little plastic part on for me. And after they done doing that, you know, I'ma hop in and secondaries used to be, y'all can see they welded that up, like 10 times better. Come to the back. So yeah, they took the valves off, y'all can see. It's just gonna be open 24/7. So y'all see they got this piece replaced for me. It actually looked way better. And what I noticed is the part I actually was trying to fix is separate, and it's this right here. So I just really gotta get that tied up or something. I really don't know. Probably just take it off. But and this right here. So I'm gonna just see how it look once they get down. But that's all extra plastic, literally. That definitely was needed though, I ain't gonna lie. Idle just sound way better. Definitely got to give her a wash today on my day off. Still look clean with that ceramic coat. Look at the tips. Tell me what y'all think about the exhaust before I hop in her, man. Take it just look way cleaner, way better, way bigger, sound way better. Crackle, oh my god, that just sound nasty, bro. So I'ma hop up in her, man. When I tell y'all, this exhaust sounds stupid, bruh. All I did was a secondary cat delete, you know, and I threw the axle back on, which, you know, basically was a muffler delete. But, bruh, just listen. Bruh. Downshift. It's crazy, dog. Woo! Trying to shift with one hand. Bruh, you heard the downshift. I'll probably get a different video, you know, put my GoPro right on top of my exhaust so y'all can hear it. I'll probably do that in my next video or something. I just got back to my hometown, man. Y'all see, I had to come get gas. I'm always on E. Man, I can't even lie to y'all. I'm so impressed with the exhaust, man. Tell me what y'all think about it, man. Look like I already gotta clean them up. Shit keep coming out of my exhaust, man. But yeah, we gonna have to go wipe them up. I was just, you know, flying on the way here, but let me know what y'all think of the exhaust. It definitely sound way better and look 10 times better, man. I'll probably wrap this video up right here, man. If you like this video, let me know if you like the exhaust. Let me know what you think of it, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm up.